roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shelbyville, Lewisburg, Pulaski, Cornersville. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, southern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, northern Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southeast of Spring Hill, Oregon, 13 miles east of Columbia, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail-damaged vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Shelbyville, Chapel Hill, Wartrace, Eagleville, Bell Buckle, Rover, Christiana, Eden, Rockvale, Unionville, and Fosterville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Climate data.
Severe